Hi everyone, Alex here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a super useful Excel function called trim. It helps you clean up messy text by removing extra spaces. Case study. Let's say you have copied some data from another source and it looks like this, with too many spaces before, between or after the words. Then can cause problems when sorting, filtering or comparing data or using VLOOKUP function. Solution for that, use the trim function to fix it. In a new cell, type equal trim, tab for activation, and the parameter is text. Click here and enter. This will remove all the extra spaces and leave just one space between words. Alex Alexander, it's correct right now. Why it's useful function trim in Excel? 3 reasons. Make your data cleaner, helps you with accurate filtering and matching, save time when working with large datasets. That's it, a quick and powerful way to clean up your data using trim function. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Excel tips. See you in the next video.